How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily purchase Kindle books on your Amazon. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Amazon shopping app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the three lines at the bottom right. And then here you can find your shortcuts like your account. And you can also shop by department or categories. So here what you are going to do is find the Kindle store on the categories and just tap on it. And from here you can choose any book that you want. So for example, if I want to purchase this book, I'm just going to tap on it. And then from here, you can simply go to add to cart. Now, once you add this to cart, just tap on buy now with one click. And then from here, what you want to do is head over to your cart. So you can add this on your cart like this. And you can also continue for free if you are trying to purchase the audiobook. Now make sure that you have set your shipping address and tap on deliver to address. And then from here you can, if you have any gift card or vouchers, you can continue with it. So just tap on this, and if you have any promo code, you can enter it right here to get a discount. And then add your payment method and tap on continue. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.